Okay, then Tamanna Rawat. Hello, Tamanna. Tamanna Rawat. Hello, Tamanna Rawat. Okay, so raise your hand if today is your intern presentation. All of you, please raise your hand if today is your presentations.
Yes, please check the list which I have shared. Please don't ask people to raise their hands. Sir. We have already
Sir,
provided you a
I
list.
have, yes, sir, I have provided, I'm going through the list, but I have called some name, but they are not responding.
Can you just share your screen?
Yeah. I hope my screen is visible, sir.
Right. You can go from the top to bottom. Just scroll to the top once. No. This is the
Presentation.
February. नहीं एक सेकंड आज क्या 21 फरवरी है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ ठीक है तो ठीक है, यही लिस्ट है। ओके, तो इसमें है तो तमन्ना रावत का नाम मैंने भी देखा था। बाकी के नेम्स आप एक बार कॉल कर लीजिएगा, नहीं है तो फिर आप अपना जनरल क्वेरीज लेकर के टर्मिनेट कर देना।
Okay, so Divya Vishnu Kambat. If you are in the meeting, then please raise your hand. Hello, Divya Vishnu Kambat and Shubhadeep Panda, Anand Kumar, Harsh Bhardwaj, Pavithra S, Monica Bharti, Susmita Sharma, Akhila Devashetty, and Abdul Kabir Mustafa Shoherwala, Tamanna Rawat, Harshdeep Khade, and Rutuja Vijay Kadam. If any of you are in the meet, then please raise your hand and be ready for the presentation. Okay, so Harsh, please unmute yourself and start with the presentation. Turn your cam on. Your mic is not audible. Okay, so this is for everyone. Please, next time if there is a presentation, please like check with your mic and everything before coming here. So Harsh, please fix your mic, and Pavithra, as you have raised your hand, I believe your name is for presentation, so we will start with you.
Am I audible, sir, now?
Yes, you are audible now. Please start.
Yes, sir. Now I am presenting my screen, sir.
Yes, please present.
Screen is visible, sir?
No, your screen is not visible.
Sir, you have disabled me for screen sharing.
Yes, wait. Okay, now please try.
Okay, sir. Now screen is present.
Yes, your screen is not visible.
Good morning, good evening, one and all. I am Harsh Bhardwaj from Python batch, and my task is develop the crawler for digital marketing, and this is my code. First of all, we import all necessary modules, that is request, pandas, and JSON. Request for getting the request and sending the request and getting the response through a get method that is we used here. Request equals to rq.get Google URL, and pandas for constructing the table, and JSON module is used to getting the response in JSON method. Now our script here, we take input and through Google we search here. एंड फिर उसके बाद हम लूप के थ्रू हम दोनों साइड से सर्च कर लेंगे पहला
wait. Can you just wait? So when you are presenting, you are not supposed to present like this. Okay. So I believe you have not read like the mail. So in the mail, I believe before if you have like watched the previous meeting, then sir has specified when you are presenting, there needs to be a proper introduction of you and your task. Then you will go into your like presentation. And if you are doing a demonstration, then do it as a demonstration. When you are doing a demonstration, you first like tell what was like the client requirement and how I did the like task. And if there is no requirement, then please specify like what is about the project. Like, give the main context of the project. Don't just go like I have inputted this and that, and you are not even explaining it correctly. Okay. So you need to like go step by step and don't like tell us like what is the code doing. Okay, tell us like give us context like what is going on in that block of code. Okay,
Okay, sir.
in that sir has like also specified. So first of all, like there has to be a hook and story, but yours is a demonstration. Okay, so there is obviously no hook and story. So you need to go like step by step. Okay, and then the way you are communicating with your audience, and then there are other things like how you are also doing the demo. So make sure to like keep these things in mind and then do the presentation. So we'll start again. This time I want your proper introduction, okay, because all the new interns are watching. So make sure like do the correct go in order. Okay. Please
Okay,
start
sir.
with your introduction now. And I will mute all first. Then you have to mute because other people are unmuted.
Sir, I think your voice is not visual properly audible.
Wait. Please unmute Harsh. Yeah, please
Yes, sir.
start with your intro and then go in step by step. Okay.
I am audible, sir.
Yes, you are audible. Please start again.
Okay, sir. Sir, for making crawler, we need request module to get the response from Google. So first of all, we import the request module as RQ analysis. And for making the table of data, we import the pandas module as PD. And for responding, we import the JSON module. And in second part, there is a body of our Python script. In first line, we take input as a query, saved it in keyword KWID, keyword variable, and create a query list that is a empty list. And second list is a for searching websites, that is quora.com and reddit.com. Through a loop, we can search for these two websites, and for complete keyword, that is a site with that is site and keyword. For making this, we add keyword plus site /colon plus site, and we make the Google URL for our Google developer mode, and we can see it custom search through Google. You complete Google URL will make after this adding and q and our keyword, which is replaced by any white space null. Then we print Google URL that is here. This is the URL of our quora.com, and this is the URL of our reddit.com of dark web. Then finally, we implemented through exception handling try keyword. After that, we get the response of Google URL for after connecting. Then we get the JSON response in text. So we write a JSON underscore res equals to JSON.loads. Here we get JSON response. Then we find the total result through website. We got. Then after it, we print it the total result through site RTR. Here we can see the output total result through quora.com or 6,600,000, and total result through reddit.com are 1,19,000. After it, we got JSON response item, which how many items we get. Here are second another loop, so-called nested loop. Then we get title JSON response from JSON response in under the title. So we replace it by Quora, and then we have already a empty list, query list. Then we append it. For exception handling, we handle exception as E, then print exception is occurred, comma E. Then we make a table of throw pandas. Before it, we make a dictionary, that is query dict named, that is questions colon query list. Then we create data table. We use the data frame method. We write df equals to pd.data frame, data equals to query dict. Sir, we can execute this code.
You are doing a demonstration. Of course, you are supposed to play the code.
Okay, sir. So I enter the query my dark web, and first URL I get through quora.com, and total result is here. And through reddit.com, total result is this. And table, we get the table through pandas, that is, and to convert it CSV file, we use another method that is to_CSV and name here. And the CSV file is here. We get after downloading, and I will show you that CSV file is this. Total we get 20 result, index is starting from 0. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so are you done? Your demonstration is done, right? Hello, Harsh.
Yes, sir.
You are able to hear me? Hello.
What, sir?
Can you hear my voice?
Sir, 1 second.
You are able to hear me now? Okay, so now I can't hear your voice. So wait, I will tell you something that you need to work on. So when you are doing a demonstration, sir has given us some kind of code of conduct that you have to follow while doing the your demonstration, and you mostly didn't follow any of them. Okay, so first of all, we have to first see what was your demonstration, and was it a demonstration or a presentation? So it was not a presentation that we can see, but it was a demonstration. Now, when you are doing a demonstration, I will tell you what are the things that you did wrong. First of all, there was no intro. Even though I told you that you need to give intro, you didn't give your intro. Okay, so you will get -1 point for that. There was no proper task intro. What your task was. There was no requirement intro. Like in your task, what are the proper requirement? And then when you got the output, we didn't know what that output was. Why that output is there. Okay, we don't know anything why it was there and what you were doing, because there was no proper context given. Okay, and then you did go step by step. That was a good thing about your code. You did explain everything. That was some of good points about your demonstration. But again, you could have done it in a other way, because when you are doing a demonstration, we don't care what your code is. Okay, we don't want to see what your code, because there are some other people from other domain, from cyber security or cloud computing, who don't care about your code. Okay, so that time they just want to understand what you are trying to convey. So in that moment, when you have a code, it is best to have a flow chart. You should have explained it through a flow chart instead of explaining a code. Okay, and then when you are doing a presentation, okay, so don't say, can I run the code? You have to run it during the presentation. Okay, and you have to run it step by step. When you are explaining a step, you have to run it and show to the your viewers that yes, this is how my code is running, and this was my expected output. And when I run the code, I am getting this output. Okay, this is like a proper format for that, but you of course didn't follow it. And so other type of things, that was like there was some kind of I believe sound error from your side. Now I can't hear your voice, and when you were giving the presentation, then I could hear my voice when you were speaking. Okay, I believe there is some problem with your speakers or your headphone. Then please get that fixed. Okay, so other than that, it is fine for the demonstration, but next time make sure that when you have a code level demonstration, make sure to follow a proper flow charting format, and show as little code as possible. Okay, only show the code that you would like to tell your viewers that yes, this is the code, and when I will run this code, we have seen that this code was in flow chart, and when I'm running it, this is my expected output, and I'm getting this expected output. Okay, you should have followed that format. Other than that, your background is fine, it is white background. Your mic was, other than that, echo, everything was fine. Your internet was also fine. For the communication, you didn't ask your viewer if anyone has any questions, and that and also your ending was not also proper. Okay, so these are the things that you should keep in mind, and next time when you are doing a presentation, I want you to keep in mind of these things. Okay, yeah, so your presentation is done. You will get a mail of your what your evaluation score is by the management. Then for now, if you would like to stay, you can stay. If you have something important, then you can leave. That is up to you. Okay, so next is Pavithra S. Pavithra S.
Hi, sir.
Yes,
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. So what is your presentation?
My name is Pavithra. I belong to Python
Wait,
development group.
Pavithra, wait.
I'm a
Hello.
let me start my presentation, sir.
Like
Hello.
your network is not good. Okay. Hello, Pavithra.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I
Can you
can
hear
hear
me, sir?
you. Yes, now I can hear you. So your topic of presentation, please start with that. Okay, your presentation, intro and topic of presentation.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please start.
Good evening, sir. My name is Pavithra. I belongs to Python developer group, and I belongs to Feb 1st 2023 batch, sir. And my task name is Hackveda business operation script in Python. In that, I do have to create a Google crawler for digital marketing, and then sending email using SMT protocol. And in Google Crawler for digital marketing, the agenda is a Google Crawler, why it is required, feature of Crawler, working for Google Crawler, and use of Crawler. Let me tell that what is Google Crawler. It is a program or a process that will discover and scan the website. give the relevant data to the user. It is mainly used by search engines to understand the content and create of the website. The main crawler used in Google is the Google or a spider. And why it is required is in internet we do have millions and millions of websites available. The relevant data is one important thing for user. If the user types an query in the search bar, it has information related to the search bar, and Crawler provides the scope to search engines. And moving on to the next slide, the feature Crawler. It is scalable, robustness, performance, and efficiency. Scalable is nothing but it can able to scale millions and millions of data. Robustness, it must be enough to handle a large amount of data. The performance is also, it have to give an efficient data to the user. Reality, they have to give an user query. Next slide. Working of the crawler. The crawler begins with the URL, like all the millions of websites are in any website. And uh, in the website is in crawl, have to understand the link in that URL, exactly put it into the URL. Then let's implement a digital crawl.
Pavitra, is it done? Hello, Pavitra, are you in the meeting?
Sir,
Your screen is not changing. What?
I took. I'm not. I'm not.
Your like voice is not audible at all. Okay. Okay, Pavitra, I'm giving
The
you.
use of crawler.
Hello, Pavitra.
Yes, sir.
Your screen is not changing.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, whether you can see my screen?
Your screen is stuck on slide 1. Please share your entire screen, not just one screen. I'm giving you 30 seconds, fix it, or I'm moving to someone else.
So now
No, your screen is still frozen at a.
so slide 2. Like you can screen.
No, your slide 2 is not visible. All I can see is your slide 1, zoom it, and your star menu. Please stop the screen share and share again.
Okay, sir. So can
No, your screen is not visible. It is just loading that shorted screen share. Okay, so I'm moving to next person. You can stop your screen. Okay, and mute yourself. After this, everyone is done, then I will give you one chance for the demonstration. Fix your network. You will not get chance for the presentation. Just do the demonstration next. Stop your screen. Yeah. Okay, so then I have some other people's name. That is Divya Kambat, Shubhadeep Panda, Anand Kumar, and Monica, Tamanna Rawat, Susmita Akhila, Abdul Kabir, and Harshdeep Khade, Rutuja Kadam. If you are in the meet, then please raise your hand. Hello, Devanshu sir. Hello, Devanshu sir. Are you in the meet yet? Okay, so is there anyone else left for the presentation? Please raise your hands. If not, then please raise your hand. I will go over for the general queries next. Yes, I have allowed for this.
Yeah. Hi, Yash. What?
Yes, I can't find other people for the demonstration. I have some names, but Pavithra's like network is not issue. I can't like hear anything. Harsh is done, and other people are not responding. I can't see them in the meet.
So, Sai Teja one has raised this hand. Do he has a presentation?
I believe that is just for the general presentation. So, Sai Teja, hello.
Let me
Sir,
just
I
check.
can present, sir. I can present. Can I present, sir?
Wait, but I can't see your name in the list. Okay, then all the
What
people
date
who
this
have.
presentation is scheduled?
Yeah, I have read the name, but I believe they are not there.
Okay, fine.
So I will
you
read
did-
again. I will read again, then I will go for the raised hand, like what are their queries.
Right.
Okay. Sir. Okay, then I will take names again. If you are in the mid, then please raise your hand. So first is Divya Vishnu Kambat, then Shubhadeep Panda, Anand Kumar, Pavithra S, Monica Bharti, Sushmita Sharma, Akila Devashetty, and then Abdul Kabir Mustafa Soherwala, Tamanna Rawat, Harshdeep Khade, and Rutuja Vidya Kadam. If you are in the mid, then please raise your hand. Unmute yourself. If you are not in the mid, then I will go for the general queries. So all the people who are having the general queries that you would like to ask some question, you can raise your hand. So first is Sai Teja.
Sir,
Turn your cam on first.
sorry, sir. एक्चुअली मैंने टास्क 1 टास्क 2 ट्रेलो में अपडेट किया था, बट वो फाइल्स पूरा मिसिंग है सर. वो ग्रुप ही मिसिंग हो रहा है. लाइक इन ट्रेलो प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कशन नाम से ग्रुप था, बट अभी आज वो विजिबल नहीं है आज ग्रुप पूरा.
स्क्रीन शेयर करो यार अपना.
एक
Hi, I've got that notification. We'll check on it. No problem. If you have updated it, we'll get the record. That is not a problem.
ओके सर.
Okay, then.
And this is you're in which group? Sorry, can you just
फर्स्ट फेब
no, sorry. The technology.
जावा.
You are in Java. Just
यस सर.
give me 1 minute. Let me just check.
ओके.
Maybe sometime people archive the board and delete it. So that is the problem.
I'll just check who has done that, and I'll just remove him out of the internship.
Yeah.
Give me 1 minute.
ओके.
And this is a request to everyone. Don't archive or delete any kind of card in the Trello. Okay. You are only supposed to do that when you have permission or you have told sir has told you to do so. Don't do it anyway.
फिर से अपडेट करना है, सबमिट करना है, नहीं तो
No, if you have done it, then he will recover and you don't have to do it. And if
Okay.
it is not recoverable, then you may have to do it. Okay.
सर टास्क 2 प्रेजेंट नहीं है क्या? कैन आई प्रेजेंट नाउ?
Task 2 तुमने schedule किया था presentation?
या इट्स फॉर टुमारो?
या तो कल तुम्हारा रहेगा. ठीक है.
ठीक है. थैंक यू.
So next is Saurabh Singh.
Yes, good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening.
Sir, so I was having this question from Devanshu, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can I get my probation internship certificate as I have to submit it in college?
Wait, sir is checking. Sir will let you know.
That we have, I think, already notified you, right?
No, sir, no.
You have not received a message that it will be done by 28th of February.
No, sir, not me. I've been posting that message since 6 or 7 days now, and there's no response from you.
I've already responded it. It will be done by 28th of February. I have sent an email also. I have put it on Trello as well.
Sir, I didn't get the email for that.
So if you have not got it, you will get it after 28th of February.
Acha, okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so next is Gaurav Kumar.
Hello, sir. Actually, I
Yes.
attended the last class. I think on last internship, first internship, it has started, sir. So I don't know about the what to do. Like you are although saying that we will get our attendance by mail and anything, everything. So I didn't got anything like that, sir.
So you have not received any kind of
Attendance
email?
and no, sir. No,
Uh,
sir. I haven't got any email from yours like Hackveda Limited from site, sir. I have
Devanshu sir,
from
can you look into this? Please put your email in the chat.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Devyansh Kumar, you are also having same issue? Okay, then all the people who have not like received your first internship mails, then please put it in the chat box, your email addresses. Only people who have not received the mail. Don't like randomly put your email. All the people who have not received their today's internship. So next is Prithviraj Nalavadi.
Hello, sir.
Yes, good evening. So what is your query?
Sir, I didn't got any new task. I have completed all my first tasks.
So have you
And
like told for new task clicked on? Have you scheduled
yes,
the
yes, sir.
presentation demo anything?
Yes, sir. I have given the presentation.
If
Also
you have
uploaded.
like clicked on new task, then it will take like 24 to 48 hours. Then you will
No,
get.
sir. I think I have clicked it on 18th Feb and still didn't got any new task.
Wait.
यार क्या नाम है यश 2 मिनट रुक जाओ यार, ऐसे ना सब कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा, हम चेक नहीं कर पाएंगे. जस्ट होल्ड ऑन,
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
लेट मी जस्ट चेक दैट आर्काइव इशू और फिर आते हैं इनके ऊपर.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Parth.
Yes, sir. Good
you
evening, sir.
wait, you have to wait. We are looking into some problem. Then we will go come to you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Fine. Sir.
Keep your raised hand if you have any.
Yeah, sir. Fine.
ఏ వాళ్ళు ఫీల్ అవుతారు వాళ్ళ మగ మగ్గం
यश, ये आर्काइव वाला एक बार चेक करना पड़ेगा, उसमें कुछ 7-8 आर्काइव किए हैं। इसमें 2-3 लोग हैं, जैसे कि गौरव कुमार, उन्होंने काफ़ी चीज़ें बोर्ड पे आर्काइव की हैं। ठीक है, ये गौरव कुमार है ना मीटिंग में? एक बार
Gaurav Kumar, he is in the meet. Hello, Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
So,
गौरव, आपका हमें स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है, आप बोर्ड पे जाके बहुत सारी चीजें आर्काइव कर रहे हो, नई क्रिएट कर रहे हो, आर्काइव कर रहे हो, क्या इश्यूज हैं आपको?
Sir, I haven't got any mail, sir, from your side. I haven't do any archive from your, like, it was not me, sir. You can check. I have given my mail also. I was not. I don't know what to do
are
on
you
your
in the
board,
Trello?
sir.
Hello, Gaurav.
No,
Are
no,
you
sir. I
in
am
the
not in
Trello?
Trello, sir. No, no, I am not in Trello, sir.
ठीक है, एक बार ना मैंने प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कशन तो रिस्टोर कर दिया है, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर कि इसमें किसने मतलब वो किया है ना। एक बार मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ, थोड़ा सा इसका भी प्रोसेस हम चेंज करेंगे कि क्या इश्यूज हैं। ये आपने अपलोड नहीं किया है ना? इज इट कंफर्म?
No, sir. This is not me, sir. No, sir. This is my first time I'm seeing this also.
ओके,
You can, sir. You can send me the Gmail. What mail address?
क्या है आपका ईमेल आईडी?
Sir, Gaurav Kumar, the 2 R as 4 zeros @gmail.com. Even I mentioned on the group chat, sir.
ठीक है, ठीक है, चलो, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। आप नहीं है ना? ठीक है, ओके। ठीक है यश, मैं इसे चेक करवाता हूँ, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
कि
And
क्या
there are,
issue
sir,
है।
multiple people just like him that have not received the task. I have told them to like put their email in the chat. I can see like 7-8 people.
एक बार इनको अभी चेक कर लेते हैं। आपने कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है? ठीक है, एक तो ये वाला जो इशू है, ये तो अभी मैं चेक करवाता हूँ, ठीक है?
Yes.
जो आपने बताया अभी, इनका क्या प्रोग्रेस कार्ड अपडेट वाला, ये मैं
हाँ।
चेक करा देता हूँ कि
साई तेजा का है, जावा ग्रुप से।
ठीक है, साई तेजा का है ना?
हाँ,
ठीक,
जावा ग्रुप से कार्ड नॉट फाउंड।
ठीक है। उसके बाद में ये जो मेल आईडीज हैं, ये क्या चीज़
हाँ,
है?
इनको कोई भी मेल नहीं गया आज का अटेंडेंस का। ये आई बिलीव न्यू इंटर्न से। सो इनमें गौरव कुमार है और भी 6-7 लोगों का मेल चैट में आया है। सबको मैंने कहा था डालने के लिए,
नहीं
तो
तो ये
सबको
कौन
डालना
से?
पड़ेगा।
दे आर फ्रॉम विच बैच?
और गौरव कुमार तो न्यू बैच के।
ओके, ये क्या?
16th.
16 फरवरी। ठीक है, आस्क कोमल कदम, हैव शी रिसीव्ड दिस एक्टिवेशन मेल नाउ?
कोमल, कैन यू प्लीज कंफर्म? कोमल का भी मेल डाला है उन्होंने चैट के अंदर।
हाँ, मैंने एक्टिवेट कर दिया उनका। ठीक है, दिव्यांश कुमार महावार, 16 फरवरी।
Excuse me, sir.
Wait, we'll call your name. Please raise your hand.
Yeah, sir.
So all the people who have not received the mail, and if you are receiving the mail right now, please like put a reaction in the chat box if you are unable to unmute yourself. So Komal Kadam, please cross check and let us know, and then Devansh and also other people.
ठीक है, so I have sent these activation mails to the following. एक बार अभी चेक कर लेते हैं. नहीं यार अभी गया भी नहीं. Any of those, have you received any mail as of now? Komal Kadam, Divyansh, JM Rangani, Sudakshana. If you have received, just let me know.
No, sir.
Not received, right? Okay, I think.
No, sir.
Okay, cool, I got it. I understand. ठीक है. यानी आपको ये मिला नहीं ना, एक्टिवेशन मेल का कुछ कोड इशू है आई थिंक बैकएंड पे. ठीक है, आई जस्ट गेट इट चेक. ठीक है, एक मिनट मैं नोट कर लेता हूँ. You are not receiving activation email. Send. Anyone else जिनका अभी यहाँ पे रिसीव नहीं किया ये ईमेल आईडीज? आई थिंक दीज आर इनफ. अभी और कोई है
और
ग्रुप
कोई
में?
ईमेल मुझे नहीं दिख रहा चैट के अंदर.
नहीं दिख रहा ना, ठीक है. एक है जावा प्रोग्रेस ओके, ठीक है.
तो सर किसी ने ये भी कर दिया है कॉमन बोर्ड के अंदर इंटर्नशिप मीटिंग का ये रहता ना, वो भी मुझे कार्ड नहीं दिख रहा.
हाँ मैं एक बार चेक कर लेता हूँ.
Patel Joy, we will unarchive this and you will get all the previous recordings. Patel Joy was asking me in the chat, how can he access the previous meeting recordings?
Let me just check. हाँ एक सेकेंड. ये है हमारा कॉमन बोर्ड है ना?
हाँ.
देखो ये बात तो श्योर है कि आप लोग बोर्ड्स पे कुछ आर्काइव करेंगे तो आपके लिए प्रॉब्लम है. बिना कुछ सुने हम आपको रिमूव कर देंगे इंटर्नशिप में से.
So you have to click on send to board.
Nahin,
about
that
the-
that I know what I need to do. I'm just checking who has done that.
Yeah.
चलो ये तो अभी मैं देखता हूँ एक बार.
ये वो टाइमलाइन में आ जाएगा बोर्ड एक्टिविटीज में किसने किया है.
हम्म. ठीक है चलो एनीवेज ये हम चेक कराएंगे. इसकी भी प्रोसेस को चेंज करते हैं. ये कौन है? कल्याणी कुमारी, आर्काइव्ड इंटर्नशिप मीटिंग रिकॉर्डिंग्स. कल्याणी कुमारी, आर यू हियर?
I can't find it in the meet.
ठीक है, इनको वार्निंग्स दे देना नेक्स्ट टाइम पे ना,
Yes, sir.
सीधा टर्मिनेट हो जाएंगे वरना. ठीक है, इंटर्नशिप मीटिंग रिकॉर्डिंग्स तो आ गया होगा यहाँ पे अभी. ठीक है. ठीक है, बाकी एक बार चेक करते हैं, इसको थोड़ा सा चेंज करवाएंगे. ठीक है, परमिशन के इश्यूज जो आ रहे हैं विल गेट इट चेक. तो ठीक है, ये वाला आपका वीडियो अपलोड हो गया है. व्हाट नेक्स्ट?
Next I have to ask her. So if you guys
Next
have
you have to
general
ask.
queries, yeah.
ठीक है, आप एक बार पूछ लो. बाय द टाइम आई विल गेट दिस चेक कि एक्टिवेशन ईमेल क्यों नहीं गया इन मेल आईडीज पे.
Okay, sir.
राइट.
If you guys have any general queries, please raise your hand. If you have like any kind of query or anything you want to ask, please raise your hands. So Prithviraj Nalawade, please turn your cam on.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I didn't got any new task. I have completed all my first
When did you complete your task?
on 10 Feb. And uploaded it on Trello also.
So you have to click on like new task again. Okay.
Yes,
Click
I-
on it. Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, he is also not saying that he is noticing any kind of task.
नहीं, क्या नाम है इनका?
Prithviraj Nalawade.
ये है तो इनका टास्क लॉटेड तो है. डेवलप फ्यूचर लोकेशन प्रेडिक्शन सिस्टम.
Sir, I have completed it.
So you apply for the new task via the process. There is no, we don't
Sir,
have
I
any.
also applied to it on 17th Feb, but not received any new task.
So you have to apply that again.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay. So next is Patel Joy.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Good evening. What is your issue?
Sir, same issue. Task. Sir, task का कोई अलर्ट
टास्क कौन हो गया तुम्हारा?
नहीं सर, मेरा ये फर्स्ट लेक्चर है सर.
हाँ तो you will get the, you have put your email in the chat box, right?
Yes, sir.
You will get it in 24 to 70, like 48 hours. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you have not received by tomorrow, then please join and let us know.
Okay, sir.
So next was one more person. So Pavithra, are you in the meet? Okay. So anyone else with any kind of query, please raise your hand. Or else we can end the meet. Yes, I believe we are done with everything.
Okay, okay, got it. अच्छा सुनो एक मिनट यश, are you here?
Yes, yes.
एक सेकंड आई थिंक वो कुछ लास्ट अपडेट जब गया है लाइन 39, ठीक है अभी एक बार कर देते हैं, इनका इशू सॉर्ट कर देते हैं, जिनका एक्टिवेशन का एक बार वेरीफाई करा लेते हैं कि इनको मिल गया या नहीं, ठीक है एक सेकंड होल्ड करना है.
Yes. All the people who are not receiving activation, please stay in the meet. Don't leave.
ठीक है, so I am starting from Komal Kadam once again. Let's just check. Yeah, I think now she would have received it. Komal Kadam.
Yes, sir, I get it.
Divyansh Kumar Mahavar, I have sent to you as well. Hi, I have shared to Sudakshina as well. If you can check. Saikat sent. Rupsa Chatterjee also I've sent. Activation sent to Gaurav Kumar also. Vivek Prajapati. Anushka Rajesh Matre. Anyone else who has this attendance activation issue, who has not received activation mail yet? Anyone else?
Sir, did you send the mail to JM Rangani? He has also put his email.
JM Rangani. JM Rangani, I cannot find here. JM Rangani. Okay. Patel Joy. Patel Joy Manoj Kumar. Yeah, that's sent. So the activation is sent. Now further task and everything will be allotted within 24 hours. Okay. In case if you have not received it by tomorrow, you can join day after tomorrow's meeting. Not tomorrow's meeting, day after tomorrow's meeting, and let us know in case if you have not received it. But you will receive it for now. That won't be a problem. Vijay Kumar, sir, I received attendance activation mail on 17 Feb. From that, there is no such mail for me. क्या मतलब है इस message का? I am not able to understand.
I believe he is saying that he got the activation, but he is not receiving the task mail. I am correct, Vijay Kumar. Please turn your cam on and confirm.
Share your email ID. Let us check.
From that to know other motivation.
क्या नाम है? विजय कुमार। क्या है इसका ईमेल आईडी?
विजय कुमार का
आई विजय कुमार 200210 @gmail, is it? Java Yaga Vinti Vijay Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have already sent 2 mails to you. Learn about scientific analysis and implement
sir.
C cipher in Java.
Yeah, yes, sir. So is that okay, sir?
Sorry.
Yeah, sir. I received those mails, sir. Yeah,
What have you-
I work. Yeah, I prepared also PPT that scientific DRDO, sir, and I'm working with but so Cyper sheet, sir. Yes, I'm working my task.
Nee, what do you need from us? You tell me that. I'm not able to understand what I need to do.
Sir, so activation mail I got on 17th February, sir. Yeah, you are active for the internship. From that, on that day onwards, no the such message.
On that day,
So from that, from 17th onwards, I didn't receive any message mail that you are active for this internship like this.
इग्नोर करो इनको, तो आंसर भी नहीं देना। नेक्स्ट। कुछ भी देख लेंगे ना बीच में मीटिंग में, तो उनको वही चाहिए। एक ने ऊपर मैसेज लिखा नॉट रेलोलिंक, 4 के नीचे आ गए नॉट रेलोलिंग नॉट रेलोलिंग। अरे
वो
यार
सब न्यू वाले जिनको आज ही एक्टिवेट किया ना, उनको अभी करना ना, इसलिए
मिल जाएंगे यार। आप एक्टिवेटेड हो गए हो, ठीक है, एक्टिवेशन हो गया, आपको इन्फॉर्म कर दिया, आपको टास्क अब अलॉट करेंगे। टाइम चाहिए होता है ना, पहले देखेंगे मीटिंग्स में आप थे नहीं थे, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट हमने एक्टिवेशन सबको भेजे थे। 90% सब तो एक्टिवेटेड हैं। हो सकता है बीच में कुछ कोई कोड वर्जन चेंज हुआ हो बीच में टेस्टिंग के टाइम पे, तब आपको नहीं गया हो उस डे पे, बट ठीक है। एनीवेज, नाउ यू विल गेट will allot the task in 24 to 48 hours and you will get the respective information. ठीक है। अब एक इशू रह गया, आई थिंक दिस वन।
कार्ड का,
हाँ, जो ट्रेलो कार्ड डिलीट जो हुआ है, ठीक है, उसके अलावा कुछ और इशू है अभी?
नो, एवरीथिंग इज डन, नो वन एल्स
जिनकी प्रेजेंटेशंस नहीं हुई, एक सेकेंड।
हाँ, इनमें से एक का पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन हुआ है, हर्ष का, और पवित्रा है इसका आधा ही हुआ है, क्योंकि उसका कुछ भी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था क्या बोल रही थी, उसका नेटवर्क इशू था। प्रेजेंटेशन दिया, डेमो नहीं दिया।
एक सेकंड चेक कर लेते हैं। ठीक है, 329 प्रेजेंट है आज की डेट में, ठीक है। जो बाकी अभी हमने लास्ट में मार्क किए हैं, दीज आर दोज पीपल, दिव्यांश, कोमल कदम, राइट फ्रॉम हियर,
यस,
these are the people I have activated 11, and from now on you will get your respective task. We'll send it within 48 hours. Presentations, who you have said, Harsh Bhardwaj, he has done the presentation.
yes,
but he has shown only the code, I think.
yes, उनका I believe demonstration था सिर्फ।
हाँ, he is not made a presentation, ठीक है। who else has presented?
पवित्रा है इसका, बट उनका सिर्फ प्रेजेंटेशन हुआ, उनका कुछ ये था क्या,
हाँ, हुआ ही नहीं प्रेजेंटेशन, या आई हैव सीन,
सिर्फ आधा ही हुआ है।
ठीक है, तो हर्ष भारद्वाज का स्कोर हम सेंड कर देंगे, ठीक है।
Yes.
एंड अदर्स जिन्होंने नहीं दिया है, इनकी कल आप एक बार नाम कॉल कर लेना,
Yes.
ठीक है। अगर ये 2 या 3 दिन में प्रेजेंटेशंस अपने नहीं देते हैं, तो फिर हम इनका मतलब लीव मार्क कर देंगे या डिसकंटिन्यूएशन भेज देंगे, बिकॉज स्केड्यूल के ऊपर अगर यूजर नहीं आएगा तो फिर प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है ना। तो हम एक बार मेल से नोटिफाई कर देंगे, सो दैट दे कैन कम टुमारो and they can do the presentation. In case if they don't do it tomorrow, then फिर एक उसका प्रोसेस बनाना पड़ेगा इसके लिए, ठीक है। so that मतलब वरना डिफॉल्टर बढ़ जाएंगे इसके अंदर।
Yes.
इनके देखो, हर्षदीप खड़े उस दिन इतना बात कर रहा था कि मैं 2 महीनों से बैठा, 2 हफ्ते से बैठा हूँ,
आज भी नहीं है।
लैंग्वेज है ना। और कब, जब 15 फरवरी से अलॉटेड है टास्क, आज तक प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं हुई है, ठीक है। बट एनीवेज, चलो अब हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं सबका इश्यूज, किसका कहाँ क्या चल रहा है, ठीक है। अदर देन दैट, आई हैव अ कपल ऑफ पेंडिंग रिक्वेस्ट। अभिमन्यु कुमार, आई एम गोइंग टू लुक इनटू इट। देन आई हैव रोहित हनुमंत, आई विल चेक whether I need to schedule the presentation or not. In case if you are receiving another task, so that means you have to start continuing on it, ठीक है। When I would like to see a presentation of someone, then I'm going to allot and schedule it whenever we want to get that done in the Scrum meeting. Otherwise, we'll allot the next task. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then I have a couple of more. Ankul Meena, Kalyani Kumari, Dheeraj Mathankar, Meghna Ghosh, Anupam Yadav. So this is going to be processed. Then we have Sushant Ravi Shankar Bera. We are going to process it soon. Gaurav Kumar, 998877. इनको भी देखते हैं. इनके लिए allot करेंगे. Sonali Rajak. Then I have 3 members here. Rahil Rajdeep Mishra. And a couple of more. Okay. So these are the pending requests which has to be processed. We have not processed it right now. We are in the queue of processing it. And then we'll allot and schedule the task. Okay. So
Yes,
this is the pending list. We'll come on this and we'll get it done. Okay. As well as, okay. Rest is fine. Okay, so till now around 704 tasks have been allotted. Rest, we are going to review, as in we are going to send an email notification. The candidates, those who have done their task out of a verification mail, just mark it okay so that we can get it checked. Okay. And I think I'm going to change the upload pattern from the upcoming task onwards. So if there is any change, I'm going to notify. Okay, you will get an email with a notification about how you have to upload your progress, because sometimes people are deleting, unknowingly they are deleting the cards because the platform is new for them. But since we don't have much access on that platform on Trello, so we cannot do permission changes and all there. So we'll look into it, what next can be done. Okay, and we might change the progress update, but not as of now. Okay, it will be done. Even if it has to be done, it will be done within a couple of days and activated by upcoming week. Okay. Okay. Any queries left?
No, sir, I believe no queries are left. Vivek Prajapati, you have raised your hand.
Hello, sir.
Turn your cam on.
One second, sir.
Patel, sir, you will get the link by tomorrow.
Yes, Vivek, what is the issue? So I think these are, queries just for the sake of queries. So we can complete the meeting. Okay. Attendance issues has been sorted for the people. Get all their attendance marking as soon as we progress. Task for these people whose email IDs I have, I'm going to allot it within next 48 hours. Rest, those presentations, whatever needs to be scheduled, we are going to notify these people, those who have missed it today. We'll give them another chance. Please record their names for tomorrow also. And if they are not by tomorrow, then we'll look further what next needs to be done with that. There might be a couple of more presentations tomorrow onwards. Okay. So in case, the presentations has to be done by or before 9 p.m. only. If there are any further presentations which are left for the same day, please get it organized on the next day onwards. Okay. So that you can do. And what next? So I think that's what is the information. Others, I will check back with the Trello systems if we can enforce certain permission things over there. We'll look into it. If the permissions cannot be managed there properly, and so we will look into something what next we can give people so that they can upload their progress and their progress doesn't get deleted from the board. Anyways, we have this ability, to restore the data in case if anything is archived and so, but it might change any day. So we'll look into it, what can be done in a way so that either we can attach GitHub or something where they can push their codes on Git, or else they can in fact respond their task on the mail itself, the task mail which is sent, they can respond it then and there, we can have a look.
Yes,
Okay, right. Okay, okay, Yash, thank you. Take care.
yes, thank you, sir. Should I end the meeting now?
Yeah, please, you can end.
Yes,
Hello,
thank you,
sir.
Yes, Navneet.
Sir, like I'm from IIIT Surat, sir, and like our supervisor is asking what is your synopsis of the project
It is in the
based on
mail.
what,
Hello, sir. It
sir?
is in the mail.
Not task, sir. Like you have assigned a task, but overall project he is asking.
See, your
we
what the requirement are in the mail already. Yeah, it is already specified. Your task one is this and this. That is the synopsis, and how you will do it. That is what you will include in your synopsis. We are not supposed to provide you like complete synopsis document. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay, so then I will end the meet.
Right now. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, sir.